up, YouTube? It's Virgin, y'all. Tip screen, small screens, whatever. So I just got up. Today, y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I crimp my hair. So I installed this like yesterday or the day before yesterday. I got these crimpers from Revlon. So first, y'all, I'm gonna start by like sorting out my hair, kind of like parting it. I usually go to the back first. This is me combing the hair out because you don't want to be trying to crimp it with tangles in it. And then yeah, y'all, just have to try to wrap this around because clearly I'm going through it. So yeah, I just part the back in like 2 halves first and comb it again just to make sure. And then when I crimp my hair, I don't go all the way to the roots unless I'm at the top of the hair, which then again I still don't do that, but I leave it there for like a few seconds and then I move on, and then y'all gonna see that throughout this part. Okay, y'all, so I didn't really like how that first one had turned out, so that's why I was looking like that. But y'all, ignore my mama. She came in my video talking about everything and anything, and just standing there acting like she don't see me clearly making a YouTube video, y'all. And when I say my camera, it was so visual, she had like she didn't see that. But y'all, basically we was all getting ready to go out to eat, so I'm gonna add some pictures at the end, and that lady is funny, y'all, so that's why I was laughing. But yeah, after I did the first piece of hair that I crimped, I didn't really like it like that. Now I look back at it, it's cute, but really though, like the bottom layers, I just try to crimp them so they have a crimp in them. I don't do them like in a particular way because, to be honest, once you do the top half of your head, like once you do the top of your head and you crimp the top of your head, why am I doing these faces? Once you do the top of your head and crimp the top of your head, y'all, that's really what you're gonna see. Like you're gonna see that more than anything else. And the back parts, so the back layer is just gonna be like crimped underneath. You get what I'm trying to say, y'all. Really, the part that matter is really the top. And y'all, this is me trying to make a boomerang for Instagram so they can know that I'm making a video, because like, go subscribe to my YouTube. But yeah, and another thing, when I get to the ends of the crimps, I just try to crimp them a little just so they have a little curl or crimp in them. I don't really do the most to get the ends crimped because for one, like, it's already the ends. I would rather grab, like, once I'm done, grab the hair and then crimp the ends. So yeah, y'all, that was that part. After I'm done doing the back layers, I end up splitting the hair in half and then crimping each side. Like, you get, like, y'all gonna see me do it, but just keep watching, y'all. The end result is super nice, but at first I'm like, what am I doing? Plus, this is my second time crimping my hair. Okay, y'all, my crimpers, since I'm talking, my crimpers came from Amazon. Like, they were from Revlon. I got them from Amazon, but they're made by Revlon. Y'all know what I'm saying. So they were $20, and I seen somebody else do a YouTube review on them, so I ended up picking some up. Plus, they were $20, so I had to, you know, like, get them since I seen that they were good crimpers. And yeah, they definitely worked it. Y'all go get y'all some. They get super hot. If y'all see in this video, throughout times they were smoking, so I was showing y'all how they were smoking. But yeah, y'all, keep watching, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when I need to explain again. Okay, y'all, so at this point, your girl arm was so freaking tired. Like, I don't know if they was so tired in this already, but y'all, my arms started to get so tired. Like, for one, and your girl is weak. I just got some arm fat, but that shenanigans. Y'all, that crimper junk had my arms hurting so bad. Like, I don't even know why I was taking my time. Cause y'all, when I put the crimp on the hair, I usually keep the crimp there for like 30 to 35 seconds. At the most 40 seconds. Because sometimes when using chunkier pieces of hair, you know, like if you make your part chunkier, you know, y'all know what I'm trying to say. If you make your part bigger, you know, it's more hair. So I'll keep it on for 40 seconds. But really 30 to 35 seconds. And y'all, that's like holding the weight in the air and just holding the weight for like 30 to 35 seconds back to back, y'all. I guarantee y'all my arms was freaking, I gained some muscle after I was done crimping my hair, for real. If y'all want to work out and y'all want to go outside and y'all got to do y'all hair, just go crimp your hair. Go crimp your hair. Your arms gonna be real nice and sore when you done, and you gonna look cute, girl. Go crimp your hair. But yeah, y'all, at this point, I was like, this is taking too long. Like, I was tired of standing in the mirror. Everybody kept walking in the bathroom while I was doing stuff, kept talking to me like, do y'all not see me making a video? And then I didn't want to talk to them. And this is me with attitude at this point, because it was taking us forever to get ready and leave. Like, I got 3 little sisters, and my mama had to do her hair and get ready. My sister had to do her hair, then she had to do my other sister hair. So yeah, y'all, we were just and then why everybody want to come in the bathroom I'm in? Like, my mama have a bathroom too. Everybody want to come in the bathroom I'm in, which I understand my sister being in there, because that bathroom is way bigger than my mom's. But still, my mom could have been in her bathroom, but no, she wanna come in here and chill with us when we all was rushing, y'all. I started doing this at like 3-4 o'clock. We didn't leave the house until like 6 or 7. So yeah, y'all, it took us a while. And then after I crimped my hair, y'all, I ended up doing a photo shoot with my camera. Cause y'all know I record my videos on my camera too, like my Canon G7X. Only thing about it is you need to buy an extra battery if you're gonna get a camera, because it sucks when you're doing something and your camera just die. So, and don't nobody be feeling like want to go rush and put the battery on a charger, and then now you gotta wait. So just have a backup, because I still don't have a backup, and I'm finna get a backup so I can be more consistent with my videos. But anyway, I don't even know where I was, y'all. Every time I talk, I get off of topic every time I talk. But yeah, y'all, like I said, y'all, my arm was hurting. It was hurting so bad. I was trying to find stuff to do. Like, I was holding the arm with my other arm. Look at my sister, big head and stuff, both of them. And that was my other sister who had to get her hair done. Y'all go see her walk out once she get her hair done, I think. Oh no, they ended up finishing in my sister's room. Y'all, why is my lip so crusty? Oh my god, this video is killing me. It's okay, I'm gonna show y'all when I got cute at the end. Y'all see that face I just made? But yeah, I ended up taking pictures on my Canon G7X Mark II. My pictures came out really cute. If y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all know I take my pictures by myself, because every time I ask somebody to take my pictures, they always want to toot their lips up and do this and do that. Like, why can't you just take my pictures? I feel like you being a hater. I feel like you being a hater at this point. Like, you don't want to take my pictures. Like, that's some real hating type junk. Like, how you don't want to take my pictures? So yeah, my camera was actually a good investment. I'm glad I brought it, because I could take my own pictures, make my YouTube videos, and they look nice, and show all the dang on acne on my face. But you know, it's still good quality, whatever. I'll get over this acne one day. I've been trying my whole life. Y'all go scroll down my YouTube channel, y'all see I had acne my whole life. So if you new here, just vibe, just watch the tutorial of me crimping my hair, and y'all make sure y'all subscribe. I'm trying to subscribe. I don't know why I ain't talking right. I'm trying to, like, you know, I'm trying to be big with this YouTube joint. Y'all subscribe to me. But yeah, that's really it for me talking for right now. So I gotta come back, because once I start talking, I don't stop talking. I know y'all want me to keep talking. But yeah, y'all, this is me showing y'all me crimping the end too. I almost forgot about that. And then yeah, y'all see how that thing was smoking? That crimper was smoking. Don't ask what heat level I had it on. Just know I had it to the max.
Really like the back.
I'm just extra
it's
like
hard
that.
to see the back.
I had it all the way up to the max.
I do like the back rows, and then I split it in half, and I do side by side. I finish one side, then I do the other side. If y'all couldn't tell, that's what I was doing. So this side got scrunchy on it because I don't have another clip, so well, I have another one, but I'm not gonna go look for it.